the production.
Welcome back to another video. So in today's video we are going blue, like the car bloody is, and we're getting rid of this absolute nonsense in there. Why it's red I don't know. I honestly don't know, because nothing else is red on the car. Everything is blue. Maybe sometimes, you know, you got red brakes and it'll match. Nothing is red, okay? Absolutely nothing. Nothing red going on. So why it's red, I do not know. It looks so shit. It looks horrible, right? So these are the things that I'm getting rid of. That red nonsense in there. Okay? So there's a couple of ways to do it. You can take the front grille like that, take the bolts off the front, bend it down, get a little bend on it and do it that way. But really it's just 1 2 3 1 2 3, one there and one there. There's 8 things that you need to pull. I'll show you how to do it. Another way is, if you don't have this grill, maybe you've had a crash, you don't have these, you can put your hand in there and reach right up and you can get it, okay? But obviously I've still got that. But say if you're missing this, okay, previous owner's taking it out, maybe it looks better without it, you can just reach right up in there, okay? 3 ways to do it. I'm gonna do it the easiest way. Just make sure you're always keeping tension, okay? Once one's out, I'll show you what I'm actually pushing. It's a bit annoying, but it's gonna take quite some time. From this side here, and then work my way along. It's gonna be annoying. It's gonna be long and annoying. Go. That's out. That's out. Just keep tension on it. If you let go, it'll just slide back in. I think that one's out. This top one's out. This one is out. Did this one slide back in? Nope. Okay. F30 there, out. This was very annoying. There we go. Top one's all out. Keep that tension. And one of the top ones slid back in. There we go. Okay, now top all out. Remember, keep that tension. I think this one slid back in. There it is. Okay. Out. Don't see it. I think he slid back. So always keep that. There we go. So out, 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 out. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna stop it right here. I'm gonna show you what I'm actually pushing. Actually, no, I just did it. That tiny bit of push. There we go. That one's out. Make sure you don't go back. So you just go back in. No. Oh no, this side goes back in. There we go. Okay. Out. Top, out, 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 out. I've got one there. I think he slid back in, the one on the side. Bottom one's a fucking asshole. Nope. Yeah, one more. You dirty bastard. Okay. Let me just show you what you are actually pushing. Hey, focus up, you prick. Okay, you see him? You're pushing them. Now they're all on the outside, so you can't push them. There's nothing to push here. You have to reach your finger around the top like this and push like that. It's so awkward when doing it. Just like that. That slight push. That's all you're doing. Okay? It can be awkward. Once you find them, they are. And all you're doing is just like that. That slight push. I don't know what. It is absolute shit out. I mean, you see the difference here? I don't actually know what they were thinking when putting the red one in. It's like, yeah, that's the good gear. That'll match with fucking nothing. Actually, I'm not gonna put that back on because one sec. Should just slide straight on. Hold it one sec. Bottom first. No, get the whole thing in first. Get bottom first. Seeing which way is better. So that is on. Just make sure you turn it. Yeah, I'll do that. Oh, what you reckon, the boys? Red or blue? I mean, easy blue mush. Let me just take that grill out. Now it should be a bit easier because I've got more space. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just try the bottom first. See if it's any easier. So bottom. Them three are out. This out. Out. Oops. Out. This side one is out. Just to see it. Looks like, but then again, I am reaching from back here. So maybe getting the bottom is easy. Maybe. Bottom first, even putting it in bottom first. Piece of shit. Where's the music? In, bottom. Right, what are we saying here, the boys? I think that should be just sliding straight in. Check, because every single one, if it has all, it should be. Beautiful stuff. Okay, let me just double check. At that little gap, you don't want this gap. Yeah, don't want it like that. I'm just going to double check that the gap is facing right back there. It is in. Bottom's in. That'll do that, boys. And now it actually matches. You see? Yes, you see? So why they were red, I don't know. Okay? Sticking out like a sore thumb. But yes, I'll put these down in the link description below, and I shall see you in the next one.